Alrighty, this is a video on how we can find Seesaw online to get to our assignment. So we're going to open up our internet browser, whether that be Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, whatever it may be. Go ahead and open it up, and you're going to go to your search engine, and you're going to type in Seesaw, which is spelled just like Seesaw. We're going to press enter. I'm going to click on the Seesaw name, and it should take you to this page. From here, you're going to go up into this right-hand corner, and we're going to click on the login. And from here, because you are a student, you're going to click on the student. And I'm going to give you a text code in just a moment, and I'll have you type it in there, and then you'll press go, and it'll take you to our classroom, and then we will discuss where to go from there. Okay. I've actually decided to show you guys what we're going to do. Anyways, we're going to add this to the video. We're going to type in our code, which I had to copy and paste. Your code might be different, but that's the code I have for right now. We're going to press the green button for go. And you're going to come down and choose your name. We're going to say we are Maggie, because I don't think Maggie is coming. Sign in as Maggie. And from here, this is your home page. You're going to be able to see all your classmates and everyone, but we're going to go over to the activities, and this is our assignment that we're going to be working on, and you'll just be able to click it and you'll write your response.